Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Mac switch to desktop where an application window is already open. So when you organize your work across multiple desktop spaces, it can sometimes be difficult to remember where a particular app window is located. macOS include an option to automatically take you to the correct desktop when you select an app that already has an open window there. For example, when Safari is open on another space, selecting Safari from dock can automatically move you to that desktop. This saves you from manually opening Mission Control and searching through each space. This setting only becomes useful when you regularly work with multiple desktops. So to enable this behavior, first click on the Apple menu and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock and then scroll down all the way in the right side pane and you can find a Mission Control section. And finally, turn on the toggle right to the second option in Mission Control. And that's it. The next time when you select an app from dock or switch to it using Command tab, your Mac can automatically move to desktop space where the app already has an open window. This makes it easier to return to existing app window without searching through your space manually. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.